How are socialism and communism related? Number 1. Social welfare. Social welfare was created in order to keep and help provide a person with needs and resources to help enhance the well-being of a family and individuals, and also to reduce social problems. As you may know him, Hitler saw this as an advantage and promised people that if he got into office and became the leader, they would all have social welfare services. Instead, he took that as a chance and only cared for the Germans and ended up being responsible for murdering and killing 6 million Jews, known today as the Holocaust. Number 2. Political and economic systems. Political and economic systems are both in a communism and socialism country. It's where the government owns everyone's property and everyday resources, where in America we all own our property privately. This gives them more control over everything. Number 3. Eliminate class differences and equalize income distribution. Eliminating class difference and equalizing income distribution is creating a classless society in which everyone shares benefits of labor and the state controls all property and wealth. These three are the main thing that makes communism and socialism related. This video shows more about that, and it also gives you some differences as well.
Communism versus socialism. As is well known, communism and socialism both grew out of grassroots opposition to the exploitation of workers by wealthy businesses during the Industrial Revolution. But scholars have long debated about the exact difference between communism and socialism. Even Karl Marx used the terms interchangeably. But it must be noted that Marx viewed socialism as the first step in the transition from capitalism to communism. Today, communism is often identified with socialism. However, while they share several characteristics, the two doctrines differ significantly in their goal and how it is achieved. For one, the goal of communism is the establishment of absolute social equality and the elimination of socioeconomic classes. Achieving this goal requires that private ownership of the means of production be eliminated. Hence, in communism, all aspects of economic production are controlled by the central government. In contrast, socialism assumes that social classes will inevitably exist and strives to minimize the differences between them. The government's power over the means of production under socialism is regulated by democratic citizen participation. Contrary to a common misconception, socialism allows the private ownership of property. Also, unlike communism, socialism rewards individual effort and innovation. The most common form of modern socialism, that is, social democracy, works to achieve equal distribution of wealth and other social reforms through democratic processes, and typically coexists alongside a free market capitalist economy.
And that is all.